So first you want to start out by removing these covers. They cover the fasteners that hold the taillight to the body. And these are 8mm. Now once you get those removed, you'll notice that the taillight is pretty loose, but it's still held in by clips into the body. So you grab it, you just pull it kind of straight away from the body, just like that. And since we're replacing the brake light, it's going to be this bulb right here, the second one from the top. And to replace it, just pull it out straight. So you should be able to see, this is the new one, this is the old one. It looks kind of burnt inside of there, and there's also filament that's loose and broken in there. And again, just reversing the order, you take it, and since it doesn't matter which way these go, you just pop that in there, put it in the back of the light, and twist it. And be sure to put your covers back on. So, if that video helped you out, let me know by leaving a like. I have all sorts of videos of fixing all sorts of different cars on my channel, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like that. Thanks for watching.